Charlotte.
Hi, Dad.
Welcome to
Create a Crayon.
Yes. So we're doing our show a little bit different now, right?
With no squares, but a blank paper with nothing on it.
Yes. So we're gonna draw a scene from your favorite show, Go Dog Go.
Yeah, right.
And the dogs today are
Frank and me.
Yes. Did you know Go Dog Go is actually a book by Dr. Seuss?
Yeah, and then they made a show for other kids to watch it.
Yeah, so now you can watch it because you can't really read yet, right? You just
But I can watch it all day long.
Yes, now we can watch it all day long. So today, the drawing that we're doing is from an episode where
they got in trouble because they said when they were in the dumpster with all the trash, they said Frank Bean said, we're sinking. If we just clean up the beach, we wouldn't be in this mess.
Yeah, so we're gonna draw a scene from the show where they're in the dumpster and they're floating in the water, right?
They're sinking.
They're sinking, yes.
Into the water.
Into the water.
Into water.
Do you know what breed of dog Frank and Beans are?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure what what breed Frank is, but I know.
I can guess the Beans one. He's a English Dachshund.
English sheepdog.
Sheepdog.
Yes. Do you know why?
He has a furry on his face.
He has so much fur on his face. It's always covering his eyes.
It's so much fur everywhere.
Yeah. You excited?
You're excited.
You ready to draw?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's draw Frank and Bean.
Frank and Bean.
They're sitting
the dumpster.
in the dumpster floating in the ocean, okay? This is what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna draw the dumpster first. Go a little bit higher. A little bit higher. We're gonna draw one line across. About halfway, we're gonna go up. And then we're gonna go across. Very good. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a slanted line to the right. Goes to the right like this. And then we're gonna go all the way across. Stop here. Good job. It almost looks like a boat, right? We're gonna connect this. All right. And then we're gonna draw Frank on the left and Beans on the right, okay? Here's Frank. Let's figure out where he's gonna be. He's somewhere over here on the left side, okay? So we're gonna draw his body first. So look over here, Charlotte. Here we go. That's his body, left side and right side. All right. And then connected to that is his arm. So we're gonna go to the left, straight, across, and then bend down a little bit. That's his elbow. Yep. And then his hand. So it's three fingers and then one thumb. So we're gonna start with the thumb first, okay? Watch. So on the right, it's like a sausage. Okay, good. And then you're gonna curve to the left. Good. And then you're gonna draw the sausage looking thing. That's his finger, right? Sausage. And then on top of that, we're gonna draw another sausage. Watch. Next to it. Another sausage. Okay, curve. Yeah. And then one more. One more sausage. There you go, that's his hand. So now we're gonna draw his arm. Okay, and then up to the elbow. So up to your elbow. Good job. Okay, and then we're gonna go.
Kind of sick.
Then we'll go straight into his body over here and stop. Stop. Very good. And same thing on the right.
It's kind of thick here.
It's okay.
I'll do sinners.
No, it's okay. No. His arms are the same size, okay? So same thing, we're gonna go and then elbow. And then we'll draw his thumb, look, so to the left.
I know that.
And then it's gonna curve to the right, like a rainbow. And then that first finger, second finger, and then third finger. So he has 4 fingers total, okay? All right, and then his hand goes to his elbow, and then that goes into his body. Good job. And now,
we're gonna draw his head.
Yeah, so.
I mean the neck.
Okay, so his neck is a little bit skinnier here, right? It's got a collar on it. So here's a rectangle collar. Okay, And then we're gonna connect his arm to it, okay? So his arms are connected to the collar. Now, his name is Frank. He's got a hot dog thing on his collar, okay? So we're gonna draw a little dangly line down, and then we're gonna draw a curve. That's a sausage, the Frank. Frank is another word for sausage. Okay, so we're gonna draw a sausage that's connected to the collar.
Oh, it has the outside line.
And then the outside line is the bread, exactly. So we're gonna draw the outside line. It's like a sitting on the outside underneath it, okay? All right, and now we're gonna draw his neck. So his neck is a little bit like right here. We're gonna draw his mouth, okay? So his mouth, the bottom of his mouth is here. I'm gonna draw a line that goes up to the tip. And then here's the top part of his mouth, okay? So follow the same direction and we're gonna curve up. We're gonna draw his nose there, okay? Stop. Okay. His nose is a curvy triangle. And then we're going to draw his nose. If you look over here, it's gonna come up, stop here. And then we're gonna draw his eyes. He's wearing goggles. So over here, in the middle, okay? In the middle of the line. Okay, draw your line a little bit longer. Okay. Now here in the middle of that line, you draw a circle. And then next to it, another circle. Okay?
We draw the eyeball inside.
And you do the strap for the goggle.
And then the eyeball?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, then we'll draw the two black circles. Two black circles. Okay?
Do you want me to do mine a little bigger?
A little bit thicker, yeah. Okay, not too big. That's good. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the top of his head from his nose. Goes up, and then he's got some spiky long hair, okay? I'm gonna draw like three spiky long hair. And then this is gonna come down to where the goggle. So you're gonna go back, yep, and then come down here. And then we draw his ear, okay? So his ear is like this.
And after his ear, he'll look like Frank?
Yep, so his ear is curvy and kind of long and floppy, okay? So we're gonna draw Beans. Beans is a little bit bigger. He's a bigger dog, okay?
Yeah,
so
he's huge.
We're gonna start with his furry eyes, okay? His furry eyes. So it's like this, like a. Okay, in the middle we have a curved line, so that's between his eyes, okay?
He has fur on him.
Okay, and then here we're gonna draw his mouth, okay? So watch, start on the right, we're gonna go to the left, and we're gonna curve back, okay? Curving, okay, good. And then underneath that, his bottom, his chin. Like this, okay? Okay, and then on top we have the goggles. Right, so two circles here on top.
It's oval.
Two ovals here on top. Okay, connect them with a line, and then you can connect them with two curves to his
To his eyes.
Yeah, to his head basically. Okay, and then here we're gonna draw his ear. So big curve here, and then go straight up.
Okay.
And then curve, and then straight up. Same, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Mine is a little small because it's on the other side.
That's fine. And then his nose is right here. Okay, it's right here. Again with the curvy triangle. And then this connects to his lip down here. Okay. And just like Frank, Beans has a collar. Okay, so here's the collar. And then his bean looks like a moon-shaped bean. Okay, so you draw a moon-shaped bean, like a worm, like a dangly worm. There we go. Good job. We're gonna draw his shoulder. Okay.
Okay, wait.
So up. Okay. I'm gonna change my ship a little bit so we can see better. Okay. This is why we use pencils, so we can erase it. Okay. So I'm gonna erase my ship a little bit, make it a little bit lower so we can see better, okay? By ship, I mean the dumpster. Okay.
The dumpster,
Yeah.
not a ship.
Yep, so we're gonna draw the same thing with his hand, okay? So just make yours a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna draw his fingers. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 thumb, right? So his thumb is here. So we'll just change the ship.
Change the dumpster.
Dumpster ship.
Dumpster, not ship. Dumpster.
We'll change the dumpster, okay?
Dumpster.
Change the dumpster. Okay. All right, so try again.
Okay.
So they don't get smaller, okay? They're the same size.
1, 2,
You're getting too big.
3.
Okay, and then the thumb. Looks like this. Okay. Curve down. Very good. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the arm. Okay. Arm. To underneath his ear, okay? Where his ear is. So yours is too skinny. He's a bigger dog, right? So his arm should be thicker than Frank's. Okay? So if you know where the body is, it's easier to draw the arm, okay? So here, draw the body here. Draw a line here. Okay? And this is where the arm is. Okay? Thank you. See? Now it's not skinny. Okay. So now we're gonna draw this other arm. His left arm. So we're gonna go up and down. Okay? A little bit smaller. Down. Okay. Now hand again. Sausage. 1, 2, 3. One more curve. Very good. And then go over the rainbow to the thumb, and then curve back up to the thumb. There you go. Good job. And then we're gonna draw the arm. Okay. Down here. We're gonna draw his body. Okay. So there you go. Well done. So we got Frank and Beans.
Wait, we had to do this dumpster.
Oh yes, we're gonna do the garbage bags on the dumpster.
You forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, you forgot to draw the other half curve from
Okay, so here we go. Let's draw
the dumpster.
1 garbage bag behind Frank here. I'll draw this. And then we'll draw I'm gonna draw a big one here in the very back. Okay, so this is behind Frank, right? And then we're gonna have a knot. And then bunny ear ties. Okay, and then this is gonna go all the way behind Beans. Huge bag of trash. Okay. Good
This
job.
big. Mine is
Mine is even bigger. Mine go all the way across. Okay, like a rainbow. You can draw.
I think you're drawing tags big garbage.
Oh, okay. All right, let's color this. Okay.